Okay, so this is an example of higher order derivatives. So we have here a function x squared plus y raised to 4 is equal to 10. So you notice we will apply an implicit differentiation in this kind of function. So for the first derivative, we have 2x plus 4y cubed plus y prime. So we apply power rule. And then every time we get the derivative of our y, we will multiply y prime. So that is equal to 0. So simplifying that one, getting the first derivative, so that is y prime is equal to negative 2x over 4y cubed. So that is x over 2y cubed. Since we have still a common factor between the two, so that is 2. So that's why we have negative x over 2y cubed. So this is now our y prime. So for our y prime, we have here our function. So since this is a quotient, so we will apply a quotient rule. So for the quotient rule, we have our formula which is v du minus u dv over v squared, where our u is x and our v is 2y cubed. Our derivative of our u is equal to 1, while our derivative of our v is equal to 6y squared. So we just apply the power rule. Okay, now substituting that one, we have here negative 2y cubed minus x times 6y squared y prime all over 2y cubed raised to 2. So we just apply the formula of a quotient rule. So wherein our u is x and our derivative of our u is 1 and our v is 2y cubed and our derivative of our v is 6y squared. So this is an implicit. So therefore, every time we apply, we derive our y, we get the derivative of our y, we multiply y prime. Okay, so this is our second derivative. Now, we will going to simplify. So that is 2y cubed minus 6y xy squared y prime all over 4y raised to 6. Okay, so getting the factor of this function of these terms, so we have 2y squared times y minus 3xy prime. So the common between the two is 2y squared. So we have the result y minus 3xy prime. Okay, so for our denominator, we factor also that one. So later on, we will eliminate this part. So that is 2y squared times 2y raised to 4. So eliminating the common factor, so we have here y minus 3x y prime over 2y raised to 4. So we just copy the negative sign. Okay, so from our y prime, we have here the result of our y prime, that is x over 2y cubed. So we will substitute that one to our y double prime. Okay, so y double prime is equal to negative y minus 3xy prime, which is negative x over 2y cubed. So that will be y minus 3x times negative x over 2y cubed all over 2y raised to 4. So our numerator, we can still simplify this one by multiplying these terms. So that is y plus 3x squared y raised to negative 3 over 2. And of course, copying our denominator, that is 2y raised to 4. So this is now the result of our y double prime from this function.